You said let it dry and peel it up. After 24 hours, 3/4 of a gallon didn't even form a skin. So get ready for some experiments. First up, paint hardener. It's this powder that absorbs the liquid in the paint, and I just sprinkled it on it. It's supposed to be mixed into the can, so here's me trying to mix it in. A few hours later, I had some paint jello. And the next time for you old scrape and scoop. I know, looks like a ton of fun, but trust me, it's less annoying than trying to clean up a fresh spilled can of paint. Don't ask me how I know, I just know. There's a lot of you out there who are like, Michaela, why don't you just power wash it? Not great drainage, and I started to get paint all over my neighbor's fence. Anyway, it was looking pretty good, except for this back part where I just kind of gave up scraping out. Next up, paint stripper, because why the heck not? Then my little helper suggested I use my scrub brush, and who am I to deny my child's desire to scrub something? Using the scrubber was actually a genius idea, kid. I just switched it out for a wire wheel. Honestly, I only worked on this for about 10 minutes a day over the course of 5 days. Most of the time was spent waiting for things to drain and dry. Anyhoodle, I'm calling it good at this point. See you next time.